Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over a custom-built gaming machine that was brought in. The problem was that the computer was running slow, the customer was saying, so we went ahead and put it through our diagnostics, which revealed that the problem was actually the hard drive that he had on here was not working correctly, and we had to replace the hard drive. But the essential problem was that whenever you boot it up, it was booting up from a Windows 8.1 to a Windows 10. And it was kind of like an upgrade, and they didn't fully actually fix the issue. So whenever we saw that, we were like, okay, so this is what we got to do. We got to put in a new hard drive because the old one was actually not good. And then we installed Windows 10 on the machine. After we installed Windows 10, transferred all the data from all the other drives that they had on there. And then after we transferred everything, put it on there, optimized it, make sure it was running real good, real smooth. Had no issues after that. The machine's running real good now. So if you have any questions in regards to gaming machines, engineering machines, any type of machine in general, we're able to help you with that. If you have any questions, just give us a call, 281-647-9977. Thank you.